Well, today we are going to unbox and review some Mini GT Qube cars and the Mini GT 2024 Tokyo Auto Salon, the Countach in the white livery. So let's start the unboxing. And we will be starting with the Mini GT 966, the Lamborghini Countach, Tokyo Auto Salon, the white livery, and the Liberty Box are always a good addition. So let's start the unboxing and see how it goes. Well, I have already unboxed it to check because I cannot keep my hands off. So this is how it looks. Well, we have the usual packaging, and let's start with the detailings of the car. Well, to start with, there are no rear inserts. We have Toyo tires written here. We have a huge spoiler with Liberty Box written. And if we move further, we have some great GDM works written here, Liberty Walk, and there's a tiny plastic inserts for the headlights. We have Liberty Walk written here as well. And if we move on to the sides, is the 41 Spark Auto tires. Well, some of the sponsor written here, Tokyo Customs at the back and on the top. Well, this is something that I really liked. If we move on to the back, we have a huge spoiler. We have the rear bumpers, that is huge, the Toyo tires, and between it we have the tiny Liberty Walk written here as well. Well, the detailings on this one are really good. We go down to the bottom. First, we'll see here the tires are really good. The rims are huge. The tires actually look huge, and there's the usual Mini GT differences between the front and the rear tires. You can see, and if we look at the chassis is all metal as all the Mini GTs. But here you'll see it is not exactly plain, and it's not exactly well detailed either. So you can see it's somewhere in the middle, but overall it looks good. It's a good detailing. It's a good addition to have, and I think it rolls pretty good. And if you just look at it from the side, let me help you. Just look at it from the side. It's a very detailed profile. The Countach looks good. It looks a bit heavier, bit bulkier than the other Countaches. The other Countaches look really slick and slim, but this one, well, I'm glad I bought this. And the white one looks really good. It is also there in the black and the red livery, but I think I'm happy I bought the white one. So let's start the unboxing and review of the Q1, the Mini Nissan Silvia S15 in the Liberty Walk, and we have the similar livery in the usual Mini GT sizes as well. The usual Mini GT 1:64. But let's open and check this out. So I think we will. Well, it was an easy unboxing, and let's have a look. Well, it actually looks way bigger because if you'll compare it with the usual tuned ones, the 1:64 tuned ones from Hot Wheels, you'll see that they are much smaller than this ones, and the liveries, the castings on this are really good. The Liberty Box written on the top, the Toyo tires, Yokohama, and Liberty Box on the front. We have Liqui Molly written on the front lower bumper. We don't have plastic insert for the headlight, but I think rest of the detailings are really fine. If you just zoom in a bit, you can see, and I think the aspect size of the tires are really huge on this one. This actually makes it look better because I don't have the exact same replica on the usual Mini GT 61:64. But if I'll make a comparison video. But I'll do make a comparison video of this with the usual Hot Wheels tone, because initially when I thought that this is of the same size, but this is big. And if we look at from the bottom, from the back, I think this is a very cool casting. If you'll just have it in terms of having fun, if you are collecting it just because it is a fun and good livery, and a good casting, then you should have it. It is fun. It is a good looking car, and you'll have fun with it. But if we just compare with the sheer size of both the casting, just look at it. The Countach is the usual 1:64, and then you look at the Tune one. Well, the size differences are huge, and I think that is what makes the Mini GT Qube cars more gettable, more sought after, because these are not just your usual 1:64 Tune cars. These are something which are very good. And just look at the differences in the tires. I think that's where you can see the differences are huge. The differences are not just minimal. The differences are absolute monstrous. The rear spoilers, the rear bumpers are also really good. There is no plastic insert in any of the cars. This is a very good casting, and I think if you want to have one of them, you can at least have one because you will feel different. Uh, and well, let's see how good it rolls. Oh, this is good, not bad. So these are the castings, these are both the cars, and I think that's for the video guys, and let's meet you in the next video. Thank you.